Hi everyone, my name is Unravelling and welcome back to my Java tutorials. So in this channel, I make Java videos every week or every weekend, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the Java lowercase method. Yeah, so first of all, what is the Java lowercase method? Well, basically the Java lowercase method is the Java lowercase method basically converts any text, any uppercase text into a lowercase text. So for example, you write a text, for example, book, like this. Book with like the whole text book with uppercase. So this lowercase method, it's gonna convert book, it's gonna become book like this. So it's basically just gonna convert the uppercase letters into lowercase letters, which is simple, right? Yeah, and yeah, so this is what the lowercase method means, and yeah, it's pretty useful in Java programming if you want to convert any letter or text into a lowercase. Okay, so first of all, what we'll simply be doing, we will simply do, we will write string. So string to write the text, okay? So string, any random variable name. Like for example, string a is equals to 5. Oh, sorry, not 5. String a is equals to laptop. And then string b is equals to, oops, sorry, I have to write it in uppercase, I guess. Laptop like this, and then string b is equals to, or maybe we can also do with a single text, which is also gonna work. So we're just gonna be doing with a single text, okay? So for example, so this is just an example, okay, that I'm just gonna be showing you guys so that you guys can understand better. And then after that, I'm gonna be showing you a simple program by using this Java lowercase method. So yeah, so to convert the laptop into a lowercase, we have to simply do a is equals to a dot lowercase. So a, the variable a, laptop is equals to, and then laptop dot lowercase. So and then in the parentheses you have to write nothing because yeah, so because it's a method, and yeah, so there's literally nothing to write. Or maybe you can write, sorry, no, yeah, so basically it's a built-in method, so you have to write the parentheses. And I've already told you guys a lot of times that if it is a built-in method, then you have to write these parentheses, which is obligatory, or else Java is gonna think it's a variable name or stuff like that, and Java won't be able to understand, and our compiler will be confused. So to avoid the confusion, you have to write the parentheses. Okay, so now we are done. Now to print this out, we have to simply write system.out.println, the variable name that we just named it, and then a, and then voila, look, we have laptop. So it basically printed a laptop with lowercase. So here, previously we wrote laptop with like the whole text laptop with uppercase letters, right? But then it just converted it into laptop with lowercase letters. Isn't it kind of cool, guys? Yes, and it's also simple. You just have to write your variable name is equals to your variable name again, and then dot, two lowercase parentheses, and then semicolon, obviously, and just simply print it out. Well, this is just an example. Now I'm going to be showing you the real code program, or maybe a simple program that you can say. So in this program, we're going to be asking the user input. So import java.util.scanner. So just like that, and then scanner is equals to scanner console is equals to new scanner system.in, and then just like that. Well, Now, what do we simply have to do? We have to ask the user to enter a text. So that's the reason for why we created this scanner, right? So enter text. Enter a text, and then just like that. Oh, sorry. We have to put the colon in the quotation marks, and then system.out.print. Sorry, not system.out.println. We have to write string. So string for the text, and string text is equals to console, the name of our scanner dot next in, so dot next, which is basically gonna let us print the text, and what is no sorry just gonna let us write a text, only a text, not a number, or else it's gonna crash maybe. But a number can also be considered as yeah, a number can also be considered as a text. So look, if you don't believe me, check this out. String a is equals to 5. So you can do it like this. So Java is gonna think that this is a text. So here too, you can also write number. So it's not basically gonna crash, but yeah, but it's gonna crash if you write the int. Yeah, if you write it like console.nextInt instead of like the string, it's gonna give you an error. Okay, so let's continue our program. So string text is equals to console.next, and then we have to write if statement. The if statement, like for example, if our variable name, oh no, yeah, our variable name yeah, of our user input, if text is equals to, no sorry, if text dot equals. So if you don't know what the dot equals method is, go check the video where I would be explaining to you guys the Java equals method. Okay, so yeah, equals any random text, like for example, car, just like that, and then system.out.println. System.out.println, we have to, no sorry, not system.out.println, we have to write text is equals to text dot to lowercase, and then just like that, and then the curly braces we have to write text because it's our variable name, right? Okay, now let's see what's gonna happen if we run this code. So enter a text, so car, so it's, oh sorry, yeah, so as you can see here, it printed car with lowercase. Isn't that fun, guys? So if you write car, sorry, if you write car like this, wait, let me just change it to with the lower uppercase, sorry, yeah, with the uppercase. So if you write car with uppercase, then it's gonna convert it into lowercase, and that's so cool, right? And you can also do any other text by adding the if statement and stuff like that, or you can just remove that as the text, the if statement. Oh, sorry, we have to remove the curly braces. If we remove the if statement, obviously, okay, voila. So enter a text, any random text, like for example, hello. Heli. So it's gonna convert it into heli, just like that. So you can also use it by using an if statement or without if statement like this, which is basically just gonna convert any random text you write into a lowercase text. So for example, you write helicopter with uppercase, then it's gonna become helicopter with lowercase. So yeah, you can also use it with like by adding the if statement or without the if statement. And yeah, guys, that was it for my video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so that you won't miss out any of my videos. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.